warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, good morning class. So please pick up pieces of paper and throw it. Then go back to your seat and sit properly. Children, go back to your seat and sit properly. So now, are you done? So if you're done, let's have our silent prayer first. Not yet done? Okay, so everyone is done. So now, now I will check your attendance. Benjamel, Nor Hidayah, Hamza, Hafsa, and Jamaica, Jannah, Nashiba. So who's absent? I think there is no absence, so very good class. So now, who among of you here still can recall our last discussion, last meeting? Anyone? If you want to answer, raise your right hand. Okay, Jamaica. Okay, very good. So what are the five sense organs? Okay, very good class. So now let's proceed. So children, what do you see or observe around our room? Anyone? Yes? Correct. What else do you see? Look around or inside our classroom. Yes. Very good. So children, you must know that there is a lot of things that you can see inside this room and especially outside. So everything or your surrounding, there is a lot of things that you can see. So now, I want you to look at this picture. I will pause the picture. about these pictures. So, children, all you have to do is identify the names of each object. So, what picture is this, or what is the name of this object? Anyone? Yes, Hansa. What? What is the name of this object? This is ink. Very good. So this object is ink. So how about the second object? What do you think is the name of this object? Anyone? Yes. Nurhidaya. What? What is the name of this object? This is bag. Very good. So this object is the bag. So now, what about the third picture or third object? What do you think is the name of this object? Anyone? Yes? Hafsa? What? What is the name of this object? Look at the picture. What? Yes, Hafsa? This is tree. Very good. So, the fourth picture is what? Okay, class, what do you think is this fourth picture? What? This is? Anyone? Benjamin. Yes, car. But this one is? This is what we call smoke. Smoke of the car. So the last picture, what do you think is the name of this last picture? Anyone? Yes. Yes? Hamza again. So what? What is the name of this object? This is coffee. Very good. This is coffee. So all this object is what? We can all see this object inside and outside our room. Do you get it, class? Okay, very good. So now, let's proceed to our proper discussion. So again, our topic for today is all about the three states of matter. And this picture is related to our topic for today. So now, before I start discussing our lesson for today, let me first read our objective for our lesson for today. So our objectives first is identify objects as solid, liquid, and gas. Second, demonstrate that solid and liquid occupy space. And the third one, differentiate the three states of matters. So that are objective for today's lesson. So now, I have here an wallet. So class, what do you think, or what is the shape of this wallet? Anyone? Yes? What do you think is the shape of this wallet? This is Rectangle. Very good. So, class, can you touch it? Can you touch this object? Yes, that is right. So next, Benjamin, will you please stand up? So, what can you say, Benjamin, about the water inside the bottle? Do the water in the bottle have the same shape? What do you think, Benjamin? Do the water in the bottle have the same shape? Very good. That was a good observation, Benjamin. And now, next. Okay, Hamza. What do you think? Or let's just imagine that this picture or this printed picture is a real object. Because I didn't find a real balloon in the supermarket. So, what do you think, Amsa? What is inside the balloon? What? What do you think? Yes, there is air inside the balloon. Very good. There is air inside the balloon. So we call all these things or all those things as matter. So everybody say matter. Very good. So when we say matter, it is anything that occupies space and has weight or mass. So, when we say matter, pag sinabi natin matter is anything, kahit anong bagay pa yan, na merong bigat na nag-occupy ng isang place or space. So, katulad ng wallet. So, meron siyang bigat, di ba? It has a weight. So, when you place it here, it occupies a place or it occupies a specific place. That is what we call matter. So, class, what do we call the things around us? We call it matter. So, even we call matter even the air that we inhale and exhale is a matter. Do you understand? Yes. So we call all those things that surround us as matter. So we have three states of matter. So the first is solid, the second is liquid, and the third one is the gas. So the first one is the solid. Solid have definite shapes that occupy definite spaces. Solid can be cold and seen. So when we say solid is siya yung bagay na may tiyak na shape or hugis na kung saan na-occupy niya yung isang place or space at naaawakan siya at nakikita. So yun ang tinatawag natin na solid. Solid can be cold and seen. Or in short, ang solid is matigas siya. Hindi lang siya matigas. Everything na matigas is a solid. So we can tackle that in the properties of matter. So when we say solid, so Benjamin, come here in front and touch this wallet and describe what you feel. Yes? So Benjamin, what do you feel when you touch the wallet? Yes? What do you feel? So, very good. So what is the shape of this wallet? It is rectangle. So next, Nur Hidayah, will you please find one solid object inside your bag? Yes, one solid object inside your bag. And when you already get one object, come here in front and show it to your classmate. So do you already found or get some one solid object? So go, let's go to the front and show it to your classmate. So you have found or you get notebook. So what is the shape of the notebook, Nur Hidayah? Very good. It is rectangle. So it is hard or soft? Very good. It is heavy or light? It is what? Very good. So it is a solid? Yes? So it is a solid. Very good, Nur Hidayah. So children, let us give Nur Hidayah a 5 claps. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Nur Hidayah, thank you. You can now sit. So when we say solid, it has a definite shape and it can be held and seen. So now let us proceed to the second states of matter. So the second states of matter is the liquid. So I have here an empty glass. So I want someone to pour a water to the empty glass. So Benjamin, can you pour the water inside the empty glass? Come here in the front. So let us pour the water. Let us pour the water. So what do you observe? Do the water and the glass have the same shape? Benjamin. Yes, very good. Does the water take the shape of the glass? Benjamin? Okay, very good. So liquid when we say liquid, it takes the shape of the container. So now, children, I have here two remaining objects. So from these two remaining objects, what do you think is the liquid? Class, what do you think is the liquid from these two remaining objects? What? It is the bottled water. Very good. So, what am I holding? The imaginary balloon. So, let's imagine that this is a real object, a real balloon. So, what is inside the balloon? Yes, class? Yes, there is air inside touch it? Can you touch the air? What do you think, class? Can you touch the air? Yes, we cannot touch the air. So air is an example of gas, and air, we cannot touch air because it is colorless, but we can feel it. So air is a matter in a gas or gaseous state. So this balloon is inflated with air, and air is an example of gas. So now let us imagine that we can deflate the balloon. Let us deflate the balloon and feel the air that coming out from the balloon. So now I want you to imagine first that we have a real object or real balloons. Okay, class? Let us imagine. Okay, so we deflate the balloon. We feel the air. Can we feel the air? Let us feel the air coming out from it. So what do you think, guys? Does the shape of the balloon change when the air deflated? Yes? That is very good. That is correct. The shape of the balloon changes when we deflate the air. So we should always remember that there are also example of gas that we can see, like the smoke of the car and the clouds. Not all gas or gases are colorless or it cannot be seen. The example of gas that can be seen is the clouds and the smoke of the car or anything that's smoke. Do you get it, class? Do you get it? So gas take the shape. Gas takes the shape of the container. It does not have definite shape. So when we say gas, it takes the shape of the container and it does not have definite shape. Do you get it, class? So if you really understand our lesson for today, I want to ask you a question. So again, what do we call the things around us? Anyone? Yes, Hamza. So what do we call the things around us? We call it a matter. Very good. So what are the three states of matter? Yes, Hafsa. So the three states of matter is solid, liquid, and gas. So what state of matter that has a definite shape, size, and weight? Anyone? Jamaica? Very good. You were great. So again, what about the state of matter that takes the shape of its container? That take the shape of its container. What? It does. What is the called that take the shape of its container and can also flow and pour. It can also flow and pour. What state of matter is that, Jamaica? What? It is Liquid. Very good. So last, what state of matter that takes the shape of its container but it does not have a definite shape? What? Anyone? Okay, Nur Hidayah. It is a gas. The last one is the liquid and the third is the gas. Very good, class. So now, let us give everyone a 10 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, class, I want you to get a 1 half crosswise and answer our activity for our activity for today. And this activity will give me a response or result about our lesson for today. So now class prepared 1 half crosswise. So I will give you 10 minutes to answer our activity. So direction, write capital S if it is solid, write capital L if it is liquid, and write capital G if it is gas. Write your answer inside the box beside each picture. So I want you to write only the answer. Do you get it, class? Write only the answer. So, are you ready? I will give you 5 or 10 minutes. And finished or not finished, I will get this paper. So, I will sit over here. Samina na wata kayo ni pakautugo. So class, are you done? Not yet? So take your time. And please, don't cheat. I hate cheating. Okay? have 3 minutes left. Hafsa, what is done? Don't cheat. Mind your own test paper. Done? Are you done, class? You only have 1 minute. 1 minute. Left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish or not finish? Please exchange your paper with your seatmate and we will check our activity for today. Class 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. So write corrected by. Done. So assessment or evaluation. Direction. Write capital S if it is solid. Write capital L if it is liquid. Or write capital G if it is gas. Write your answer inside the box beside each picture. So number 1. Hello, class. So class, what do you think? Or what state of matter is hello blood? Anyone? Anyone who wants to answer? Anyone? What state of matter is the hollow block? It is solid, it is liquid, or it is gas? Yes? Hafsa? Yes, it is solid. So we will write the capital letter S. So what about the second picture or the juice? What state of matter is this juice? It is solid, it is liquid, or it is gas? Anyone? Anyone who wants to answer? Yes? Yes, Nur Hidayah? What? It is? Liquid. Very good. And the third picture, which is the gas or LPG gas. What state of matter is the LPG gas? It is solid, it is liquid, or it is gas? What do you think, class? Anyone? So I will call. Jamaica, what? It is? Yes, it is gas. From its word gas, what do you think will be the answer? So the fourth one is the dish soup. So, what state of matter is the dish soup? It is solid, it is liquid, or it is gas? Anyone? It is what? Benji, what? What's your answer? What is your answer? It is liquid. Very good. So what about the last one? Table. Where or what state of matter is the table? It is solid, it is liquid, or it is gas? Anyone? It is what? Hamza? It is solid. Very good, class. So where do we see the alga? It is in our surrounding. So this is made of alga. What about the juice? Of course, we always drink juice in yours. It is familiar. What about the gas? We can see the gas inside our kitchen or inside the restaurant, but it's inside the kitchen. What about the dish soup? Of course, we can see this inside, or we can see this in the supermarket, in our kitchen, or in the sari store. What about the table? Of course, every one of us has or have a table in our home. So, who got perfect score? So almost of you got a perfect score. That was a good result, and it gave me pleasure that you really understand our lesson for today. So now we will have our assignment. We will have our assignment, and write it down in your notebook. I will read the assignment because I have no chalk and I didn't write it. So always remember, class, that it is very important in our daily life to have the three states of matter, because without oxygen, that is gas, we cannot live, and without water, that is liquid, we cannot also live, and also without food, that is solid, we cannot live. Food and water is very important because we need food and water to be full of energy and to work every day. Do you understand, guys? Dear children, that the three states of matter is very important. So are you done? I will read the assignment. So our assignment for today is draw in the box 2 other solid, 2 liquid, and 2 gas objects. So all you have to do is draw a box. object, 2 solid object, 2 liquid object, and 2 gas object. Do you get it, class? Are you done? Any question? None? So if you don't have question, you may now go home and see you next meeting. Goodbye, class. Goodbye.